If the Jews have the gift of prophecy, it was because of the Igbo of Africa. And I dare say, I hear the Igbo say that they came from Israel. No, it is the Israelites that moved away from Igbo land into Israel. I hear the Igbo say that they worship like the Jews. No, it is the Jews that worship like the Igbo. And I say this not only and not to romanticize our culture and our tradition, but to remind us that for a long time we have judged ourselves too harshly, that the time has now come that we must recognize ourselves for who we are. You know, I told you that our civilization was interrupted, but even when it was interrupted, we were always alive to the fact that we must regain our self-esteem. And indeed, we regained our self-esteem. And today, as I speak to you, Africa has 55 artificial boundaries. We have come here today to dramatize the artificiality of those boundaries so that we may have that day when I can move from Nairobi, Kenya to Lagos in Nigeria without the necessity of a visa. I look forward to those days. I look forward to the days when I can move from Johannesburg in South Africa to Bangui in Central African Republic without the necessity of a visa. I look forward to the day when I shall move from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and I only have one currency to contend with, not 38 currency. I look forward to that day.
Can we please have Professor Patrick Lumumba join us on stage? We're not worthy.
Can we give him a resounding,
no, seriously,
standing ovation, please? Please.
If you have to stand.
Welcome, sir.
Good to meet you, sir.
Welcome, sir.